everyone, it's Karen with Yes Please PaperCrafts, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys. This is the Club EP box for March, and I just got it in the mail a couple of days ago, and I just really am excited because I love Echo Park and Carta, and that's my favorite company for scrapbooking collection. So this is a really exciting time to get these. Now, if you're interested in getting into this club, you can join, and I will put a link in the description below. And the way that this club works is it comes out every 2 months, and it costs $29.99, and that includes free shipping. Now, one of the other advantages to being a Club EP member is that when Echo Park has their warehouse box sale, they will give you an additional 10% off the price of the warehouse box. So that's really awesome to get an additional discount because those warehouse boxes are awesome. And I just recently did a video sharing with you what I got in the warehouse box, and I will put a link to that video in the description as well if you want to check that out. So I didn't peek at this, I didn't look, and I like to be surprised. I do know that Echo Park will put out you know, on their website what's going to be in the box, but I don't like to look at that because I want to open the box and just be surprised by what's in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out what came in this month's box. I'm so excited. Ooh, summer market. Oh, how exciting. This is a new collection from Echo Park. And that is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You know, Flower Market is one of my favorite collections from Echo Park. And this kind of reminds me of Flower Market, except it's different colors. And there's also another new collection called Family Night. That looks really cute. Okay, and then they also gave us some inspiration. This is the Oh Happy Day inspiration with the March 2020 kit. Just showing some different projects that were created using the stuff that's in this box. Cool. And then, oh, they also have a couple of projects where they give you instructions and tell you what you need to make that project. That's cool. Okay. All right, let's see. The first thing in the box is a stamp set. And you know, it's kind of funny because this must have happened during shipment, because usually it comes and it's like all like pretty. I guess from the thing sliding around, it kind of opened the box kind of for me. Okay, so we got here a stamp set, and this one is has different sayings like thank you and friends are flowers in the garden of life. That's a really cute saying. So this would be a really cool stamp set for greeting cards, because they also have a thank you and just for you. That's really cute. So there's that stamp set. And they also gave us a washi tape, and this is a floral washi. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. I can't wait to use some of the stuff in this box. This looks really awesome. Okay, up next is the ephemera from Oh Happy Day. And you know what? I just realized that this is not the Flower Market. I thought it was the Flower Market. It's actually Oh Happy Day. The Flower Market, or the Summer Market, is, they were just advertising their new collection. But what's in the box is not Summer Market. It's Oh Happy Day. So these are their two new collections. But what's in this March box is not what I thought it was. But it's still pretty. I still like it. So I don't have anything from this Oh Happy Day collection, so this is a new collection for me as well. I would have liked to have gotten some of the Summer Market too, but I love this Oh Happy Day too. That's really cool. So this is what's in there. See, that's one of the things about being surprised. I got surprised twice. I thought I was getting the Summer Market, and I ended up getting No Happy Day, but I'm happy with that too. Okay, they also gave us the frames and tags, and here is what's in that one. Okay, we also get the 6x6 paper pad, and if y'all want to stick around to the end, I will do a flip through. I will do a flip through of the paper pads and the collection. I love all of the colors. It's really bright and happy and cheerful. Okay, we also get the collection, and this is the full 12 by 12 collection. And it's interesting, when we get these boxes, they don't actually have that cover sheet. You know, usually when you get it, it'll have like the thing that tells you what all's in here. And I think it comes with 12 double-sided sheets of cardstock and also the 12 by 12 sticker set. So this is what the stickers look like. So let me go ahead and, so I will go ahead and flip through here and share with you the paper pad and also this, if you want to stick around for that. But I think these boxes are so much fun to get, and it's $30 and it's only every other month, so it's actually more reasonable because you're not getting it as often. It gives you a chance to use some of the products before you get more products, because you get a whole 2 months to use this. And I just love all of the Echo Park and Carta collections because that's my favorite company. So I think this is the best box out there, or a subscription box for scrapbooking. And so I hope y'all are staying safe out there, and I'm kind of missing my Tuesday morning weekly trip to Tuesday mornings, but this makes up for it. So super exciting to get this in the mail. I am missing going out and doing shopping in the stores, but I've been staying home, and I think this is my 3rd week at home. So I know a lot of y'all out there are in the same situation, so hopefully y'all are all staying safe. So let's go ahead and open up this paper pad and take a look at what's inside. Okay, so let me go ahead and move this over here. And go ahead and flip through this together. So this is 24 double-sided sheets. And I love that they give you the 12 by 12 collection and also the little 6 by 6 paper pad, because sometimes it's nice to have these smaller patterns. And these are really cute. That would make really cute cards. So there's some cut aparts. There's this really pretty pink paper with the little bees on it. And then some birds. Floral. Really cute. I love the colors. Some strawberries and some flowers, a polka dot and some lemons, and then a solid pink. Super cute paper. One of the things I have to say though about Echo Park's 6 by 6 paper pads, I find that they're really difficult to flip through, and a couple of the ones that I purchased from Tuesday morning, when I was doing the flip through, oh, that's gorgeous. So pretty. But when I was doing the flip through on my video, the paper pads were actually coming apart. So I don't like that. I love the paper, but the paper pad itself is really difficult to flip through. You can see how much trouble I'm having getting the pages to turn over. And then here's some more cut aparts. And it starts over again. So there's 12 sheets and 2 of each one. Really, really cute. Okay, so let's take a look at the collection. And I love these stickers. There's so many cool things on here. I love these little banners and all the little hats. They'd be cute for Easter layouts. This is exciting. This is Carta. I didn't know it. I did not realize this was Carta until I touched the paper. I love Carta paper. If y'all have never purchased Carta paper, you just have to get yourself at least one of these collections, because once you touch this paper, you'll know what I'm talking about. But it is the most awesome paper ever. It has this really cool feel to it, and it's super like thick. Oh, I love this. So I've got this really pretty floral, and then there's the pink with the little bees. That's really cute. And then they have this cut apart. Oh, even the smell of it. I could just sit here and smell and play with this paper. There's the little birds. Okay, and here is another floral. And And then on the back of this one is this really pretty check. That's cute. Here's another cut apart. And then there is the strawberries on the back. Okay, we have some flowers and some vases. And then on the back of this one is a polka dot. Okay. Okay, then we have this one that has all these really cute letters. That's really cute. And then some lemons. I love paper with lemons. I just think that this is really cute. I don't know what scrapbooking layout I would do with lemon. Maybe if I made a lemon pie or something, but to be honest, I don't really like lemons. My mom loves lemons, and anytime we go out to eat and we get water with lemons, my lemon always goes in her glass. But yeah, I don't really care for lemons too much. Here's one with some little flowers, and then this really pretty red with this, it's like almost like a little daisy. It's like little white flowers with a yellow center. Okay. And then we have some more cut aparts. This is really pretty. And then these little frames. The other thing I really love about Carta paper is how beautiful the colors are. The colors in this paper is so vibrant, and it's just more colorful than I think a lot of other paper. I'm not sure how they manufacture this paper, but I wish all the companies would make paper like Carta. Here's a really pretty pink check or plaid. And then here is that floral. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this floral. That is the most gorgeous paper. And on the back of that one is some little hats. Well, that makes me feel better because that doesn't really do anything for me, but I love that. That's gorgeous. Okay, then we have this paper that's kind of like a wreath. That's cute. I think I could do a layout with this. It'd make a really cool background. And then on the back of that one is some polka dots. Oh, I like this one. This is all kinds of cut aparts, but they're tags. That's really cute. And then on the back of that one is this leaf pattern. And then there is another sticker sheet. So there's 2 sticker sheets in this particular collection. There's this one, which is all these alphas. And then there's the one that has all the images. Really, really cute. I'm really happy with this collection. I think this is just adorable. And I love that the manufacturers are now making these border stickers, and it goes all the way across the sheet so that you could use that on a 12 by 12 scrapbook layout. So that's really cool. All right, well, I hope y'all had as much fun as I did opening up this box, and hopefully we can do it again in 2 months. The next box will come out, I guess, in May. And I'm working on some other videos. I'm going to be putting another video out on organizing ephemera and die cuts. I have some more things I want to share with you guys. I'm also working on some more Cricut tutorials and some more scrapbook layouts because I have my design team project that I'm working on. And that scrapbook process video will come out on April the 8th. Oh, and also I'm going to be doing a guest design spot on the Mini Kit Monday Ladies Challenge for the month of April. So I'm super excited about doing that. So I will be doing a series of videos. The first one will be the kit share, and I'll be doing that on April the 6th. And then every Monday after that, I'll be posting a new video for Mini Kit Mondays. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe. I'd love to have you join my channel. So that's all I have for you guys today, and y'all take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.